Chapter 10. Plants with Benefits. Food helps us to grow, gives us energy to do work and keeps us healthy. We all eat food several times during the day. Our food includes fruits, vegetables, rice, pulses, nuts, etc. Plants are the major sources of food we eat. Who grows food? The food we get from crops is grown by the farmers. They grow different kinds of crops like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, all seed, sugarcane and spices. Another common food item that many of us eat is fish. The fishermen catch fish. The dairy workers milk the cows and buffaloes and produce cheese and butter. Some people rear poultry and sell their meat and eggs in the market. Tea leaves are grown in tea gardens, while coffee is grown in coffee plantations. How crops are grown? Plants that are grown over a large area are called crops. The process of growing crops is called cultivation. Farmers work very hard on the fields to grow crops. To grow crops, the soil is plowed with a plow or a tractor. Then seeds are sown in the field. After some days, seedlings grow. Many weeds also grow along with the seedlings. Farmers remove the weeds and irrigate the crops at regular intervals of time. They use fertilizers to improve the yield. They also spray pesticides and insecticides to protect the crops from pests, insects and diseases. To help the farmers, the government has provided different means and resources. Farmers now get good seeds, fertilizers and pesticides at very reasonable rates. They also get loans to buy tractors and modern agricultural equipment. Journey of food from fields to our homes. Grains like cereals and pulses are packed in gunny bags. Foodstuff like fruits and vegetables are packed in boxes made of cardboard and wood. The packed food is transported to the wholesale market called the mandi for selling. It is transported by carts, trucks, tractors or trains. The grocers and vegetable and fruit vendors reach the mandi very early in the morning. They bring fresh stuff in baskets and sacks. They carry them to their areas and sell them in retail. We buy these food items from the local market. We wash them properly, cut them and prepare food with them or eat them raw. Different food items. We eat a variety of food items. These include cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices, beverages, etc. Cereals. Cereals or grains are the seeds of plants. Rice, wheat, maize, barley, millet, oat and sorghum are some of the cereals. Cereals are rich in carbohydrates. It is an important source of energy. Pulses. Pulses are dried seeds of some plants. Dals like moong, black gram, urad, masoor, kidney beans, rajma, etc. are called pulses or lentils. They are rich in protein and helps the body to grow and repair worn-out cells. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits like mangoes, bananas, grapes, etc. are fleshy fruits. Oranges, lemons and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C. They are called citrus fruits. We also eat different parts of plant as vegetables. Carrot, turnip, radish, etc. are roots. Cabbage, spinach, lettuce, etc. are leaves. Cauliflower, broccoli, banana flower are flowers. Ginger, potato and onion are stems. Juice is prepared from fruits and vegetables besides eating them raw or cooking them. They are rich sources of vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. They help us to stay healthy. They also protect our bodies from diseases. Spices. Spices are different parts of plants. They can be flower, stem, fruit, seed, root or bark of some plants. Spices add flavor to the food. Kerala is the largest producer of spices in India. It is therefore called the land of spices. Some of the commonly used spices are clove, nutmeg, garlic, coriander, cumin, chilies, cardamoms, etc. Nuts. Fruits like walnuts, cashews and almonds are eaten as dry fruits. They are rich in oil and minerals. Oilseeds. We use oil to cook our food. Groundnut, sesame, safflower, coconut, soya bean, peanut, mustard, castor seed and sunflower are the most commonly used oilseed. The seeds are crushed to get vegetable oil. The oil is extracted in the oil mills and then packed in bottles and sachets. Beverages. Any drink other than water is called a beverage. Tea is obtained from the leaves of tea plants by drying them. Coffee is obtained from the beans of coffee plants which are roasted and ground to make coffee. Word bank. Rear. Take care of animals till they are grown up. Poultry, chickens, ducks and geese, kept for their meat or eggs. Irrigate. To supply water to an area of land through pipes or channels so that crops will grow. Yield, produce. Loans, money that an organization such as a bank lends and somebody borrows. Gunny, a type of rough cloth used for making sacks. Sachets, closed plastic or paper packages that contain very small amounts of liquid or powder. In a nutshell, food helps us to grow, repair worn-out cells, and gives us energy. A large number of people are involved in producing food that we eat. Cultivation of crops involves many stages like plowing, sowing, irrigating, weeding, and harvesting. The farmer sells the harvested crops in the wholesale market. From there, they are retailed and reach us. We get a variety of foodstuff from plants such as fruit, vegetables, cereals, pulses, spices, oil and nuts.